Welcome. Today we're diving into a handy new WhatsApp web update that gives you more control over who can add you to groups. If you've ever been unexpectedly added to a group chat, you know how useful this can be. So, let's get started and take control of your group invitations. First things first, you'll need to open WhatsApp web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You should see a few icons there. Click on the gear icon. This will take you to your settings menu. In the settings menu, you're looking for privacy, so go ahead and click that. This is where you'll find all sorts of options to control your privacy on WhatsApp. Now, scroll down until you see groups and click on it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a few options that determine who can add you to groups. WhatsApp gives you a few choices here. Everyone means anyone can add you to a group, which might be why you're watching this video. My contacts means only people in your contact list can add you to groups. This is the one we're looking for, so choose my contacts. And that's it. With this setting selected, only people you know and have saved as contacts can add you to groups. This helps cut down on spam and unwanted group invites, giving you a much better WhatsApp experience. This new update is a simple but effective way to manage your WhatsApp experience. By limiting group invitations to your contacts only, you can avoid unwanted distractions and stay connected with the people who matter most. I hope you found this helpful. Now you can enjoy a more controlled and peaceful WhatsApp experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Happy chatting!